Mika. I like him one more. Mika, hurry. Mika, I don't want to sound critical.
Look, I'm doing the best I can here.
We don't have much time.